The summary of essential concepts for pattern identification. In 6 pernicious energies, essence, chi spirit, blood fluid, and the 8 principles, the most essential concepts can be summarized as follows. Chi is the vital energy that regulates and maintains all bodily functions. It circulates blood, activates the functions of the organs, and is essential for the production and movement of fluids. Blood is the nourishing liquid that sustains the body. It is stored in the liver and circulates throughout the body under the influence of the heart, supplying nutrients to tissues and organs. Ensuring sufficient blood supply to the limbs is particularly important. Fluid encompasses all bodily fluids. Fluids moisten the organs, muscles, and skin, and work alongside blood to maintain normal physiological functions. Among bodily substances, fluids are the most easily consumed and replenished. Essence is the fundamental energy of life, inherited at birth, playing a crucial role in growth, development, and reproduction. While it can be replenished postnatally, it is limited, and once depleted, it is difficult to restore. Essence is essential for generating and sustaining blood and fluids, making it the foundation of life. Yang represents active, warm, and outward energy, promoting metabolism and maintaining body temperature. Yin represents passive, cool, and inward energy, stabilizing and protecting the body while keeping it moist. Cold is a cooling influence that slows bodily functions, impairs circulation, and can cause pain and stiffness. Heat, fire, is a warming influence that overactivates bodily functions, leading to inflammation, thirst, and insomnia. Dampness causes stagnation of moisture within the body, resulting in heaviness, sluggishness, digestive issues, and swelling. Dryness depletes body fluids, leading to dry skin, dry cough, and thirst. Wind is a disruptive force that causes imbalance, leading to acute illnesses, tremors, and spasms. Phlegm is a pathological substance formed from prolonged dampness, obstructing the flow of qi and contributing to various diseases. These concepts can be categorized into physiological and pathological factors. Physiological factors: qi, blood, fluid, essence, yin, yang, essential for maintaining normal bodily functions. Pathological factors: cold, heat, dampness, dryness, wind, phlegm disrupt bodily balance and lead to disease. Furthermore, pathological conditions arise when physiological factors become imbalanced. Qi stagnation is blockage or stagnation of qi, leading to chest tightness, pain, and emotional distress. Blood stasis is impaired blood circulation, resulting in blood clots, localized pain, and easy bruising. Qi sinking refers to abnormal descending qi, causing organ prolapse, fatigue, and dizziness. Qi deficiency is insufficient qi, leading to fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Blood deficiency is inadequate blood supply, resulting dizziness, pale complexion, numbness, and dry skin. Fluid deficiency is insufficient fluids, leading to dry mouth, constipation, thirst, and dry skin. Essence deficiency is depletion of essence, resulting in growth retardation, infertility, premature aging, and frailty. Yin deficiency is the condition often progresses from blood deficiency, causing internal heat, night sweats, dry mouth, and insomnia. Yang deficiency, the condition often progresses, qi deficiency, leading to cold intolerance, cold extremities, weakened digestion, and reduced vitality. In summary, let's organize these concepts by yin, yang, pathological, and physiological perspectives. Qi is yang, while blood, body fluids, and essence are yin. Qi governs physiological activity, while blood, body fluids, and essence are tangible, moist substances in our body. Dryness pairs with dampness and phlegm. Dampness is a yin pathological condition, while dryness is a yang pathological condition. Dryness is the counterpart of dampness, and when dampness persists, it transforms into the pathological substance known as phlegm. Fire and wind are both yang pathological conditions and are paired with cold. Fire and wind are hot and fast, while cold is cold and slow. Fire corresponds to heat syndromes and excessive metabolism in the body, while wind corresponds to muscle spasms, strokes, etc. Qi stagnation pairs with blood stasis, both involving impaired circulation. Qi stagnation often develops into blood stasis. Both conditions cause pain. Blood deficiency, blood heat, and yin deficiency are yin pathological conditions, but they manifest as yang symptoms due to the lack of yin. Conversely, qi sinking, qi deficiency, and yang deficiency are yang pathological conditions, but they manifest as yin symptoms due to the lack of yang. Qi sinking occurs when qi excessively sinks downward, causing both the mind and body to feel heavy, and even leading to organ prolapse. Blood heat occurs when blood activity becomes excessive, causing subcutaneous bleeding, uterine bleeding, etc. Qi deficiency is a state of insufficient qi. When qi is deficient, it progresses to yang deficiency. Just as one side of a seesaw goes down while the other goes up, the lack of yang leads to yin pathological conditions such as coldness and edema, dampness. Blood deficiency is a state of insufficient blood, and it progresses to yin deficiency. When yin is relatively deficient, yang-related symptoms such as heat and dryness manifest.